Well, we broke some rules today. Lessons learned on our first day, and we did not execute those lessons learned, or I didn't. Here we are in the shit again after climbing a frickin' mud hill. Well, it's a bit of work. I'm at the top. We are now gonna lift the bike and get the fuck out of here. Thanks for coming up, Josh. This rock here, which is the best way to come down it, on the left or the right. It's a blind thing for me. Can I go right over the rock and down the rock in the middle? You're right. Like left of the rock or on the rock? There's a, doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay.